How you can post a job in shine.com. Let's start. As you see, you have to come here, can log in, then write say accounts executive. You want to do a job posting. So write account executive, then write if it is a work from home or permanent. Then you can write. Select industry. You can select any industry. If you are not comfortable, then leave it. Here there is a questionnaire you need to tick so candidate can fill it according to their skill. In this place you need to fill the details of the company. Here you have to give a template number so later on you can find it easily. Here you can fill the other details like job title, experience, CTC, location, salary, everything. Now you need to post the job. Then next, select from the previous job, smartwatch, permanent, select industry. You can select the industry, say investment banking, functional area, audit. You can write the job description here. The minimum character you can write that is 1000. I hope it is 10,000. So write it down, whatever job description you want to share. Then you have to, it's not easy. Now let me come here and to mention this. I think without writing it will go. Now post the job. Thanks for watching.